Here's another fairy egg. Let me show you. It's gonna have no yolk. Oh, it's got a tiny baby yolk. Okay, so it's just an undeveloped egg. Fairy egg has no yolk, usually. And they're called fairy eggs because fairies were known to steal children. And it's kind of creepy if you think about it. That we use Peter Pan is this great movie, and it's all about stealing children. Very interesting, folks. So I've got a chicken there, a turkey there, and a turkey here. So I think I can get those eggs. But I don't know if I'm going to get those eggs. There we go, honey. I just cleared off that one area of the fence, and there you go. We'll go in. Unfortunately, sorry about the roosters that are roostering, as my nephews would say. The rooster's roostering. See if I can put the probe in here. I can hear it clicking. Come on. Okay, so that says 3.6. That's pretty good. It's definitely clicking now. And I could remove some debris from here. So that's good. It's nice and hot now. So makes me feel better. Oh, Elroy, don't get too close to it though. Now that it's hot again, you can hear it clicking, and the clicking usually alerts them that it's working. So, but that makes me feel better with the coyote issues we have around here, that I just cleared off that area, and the chickens are happy about it. Hopefully they won't throw this stuff back on there. Because they were digging through that area. I'm very happy too, because, you know, I exposed bugs, so that's exciting. Okay, Bubba, good job. Good job on your shredding for compost. I appreciate it. Now we can keep up with the Justin Roads. Yes, thank you for that. I appreciate you working so hard on your job. Now we'll be ready to put it in the compost. You understand? Thank you. Bubba. Thank you for working so hard. I appreciate it. Unfortunately, I should have covered up these peach trees during, we had a late frost. I should have covered them up because now we probably won't get any peaches. But that's okay. We'll give it some more time. The flowers have kind of died off. They're still there, but I don't know if any of them were pollinated before that frost happened. So cover up your peach trees if there's going to be a frost, guys. I didn't think about it, and I should have known better. Should have known better. But our apple trees are starting to get flowers. Looks like this one's going to have nice red buds too. And this one is going to have red buds. Let's see what this, oh, this, maybe they're not going to have red buds. Maybe they're going to have white flowers. This is also an apple tree. Isn't that pretty? Look at that, you guys. Isn't that gorgeous? So happy to have flowering things. Another area that, so happy to have flowering things on the property. It just brings me so much joy. Now, another area that we might plant that peaches and cream honeysuckle, sorry. We have a lot of locusts around here, and it's flowering everywhere. I put a picture of one of our trees flowering, and it's just this beautiful purple flower, so I got that in my mind. But it's along here on the shop because we don't have any color or beauty along the front of the shop. So that's another area. So either there or over here, and I need to go turn off the light on the porch because it's been on since 4 o'clock. And so just starting to develop the garden and happy about it. There's my brother-in-law. We'll see you next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead. Bye.